In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your games from your friends in Steam account. So sometimes it could be really helpful. Maybe you want to hide the information about the games you play. So all we need is just to change one important settings. To do this, we need to open our profile, so our profile page. So how to do this? We just need to find your nickname and then just click on profile, or in the right top corner just click on view my profile. So I will open this page, and after that all we need is just to click on edit profile right up here, and then in this menu we need to find the privacy settings. Here there are a lot of different settings, but in this case we just need to find game details. So it could be set in your case just in public or friends only, but if you want to hide it, you just need to set it to private right up here. So now nobody will be able to see your games, to see your playtime or other things. You can just read the description of these settings here. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.